Hello everybody, I'm Kalpana Iyer. I'm delighted to read the haiku from the book 101 Haiku by Dinesh Raheja. What is a haiku? In a nutshell, it is a Japanese form of non-rhyming poetry that often contains a profound message. A haiku is a three-line seduction into the world of aesthetics and art. So here goes. Clouds empty themselves into seas pregnant with hope. One empties, one fills. Raindrops open up, umbrella of memories. Then, now, I love you. Drops blur window panes. Pain stains the walls of the heart. Wipe them. Wait for the rain. Walking in the rains. Look, a paper boat sailing with my name on it. Amid autumn frost, the mirror mocks. You are old. Pray, will spring return?
Arigato, Kalpana. Arigato means thank you in Japanese.
I, Kalpana Iyer, am here again to read 5 haiku from 101 Haiku by Dinesh Raheja. A tree drops a leaf silently in a forest. Trees don't grieve lost leaves. Pigeon struts atop Empire State Building, New York, without a ticket. I watch enraptured the peacock's graceful dance. He flies, music stops. Circus in town, dwarfed by skyscrapers around. Giraffe's mood is down. Owl, eerie but true. My conscience stares at me through your yellow eyes.
How do you say you're welcome in Japanese when somebody thanks you? Kochira koso arigato. Kochira koso arigato.
Hi, I, Kalpana Iyer, am back again to read 5 haiku from the book 101 Haiku by Dinesh Raheja. Here I go. Hippo's beauty bath has no face mask for my lady, just a fresh mud pack. Young brat with a slingshot cajoles yellow butterfly. Come, sit on my palm. Night with the mistress, watched by the wren on the windowsill. Will she sing? He sings an elegy, the cricket for his adored mate, served fried on the plate. Squirrel runs around, the satiated lion. Crunch, snack is welcome.
The formal way of saying sorry in Japanese is sumimasen. Sumimasen. And if you're being informal, you're saying sorry to your friends, you say gomen. Gomen.
I, Kalpana Iyer, am back again to read 5 haiku from the book 101 Haiku by my friend Dinesh Raheja. Here I go. The slow turning snail hits the nail right on the head. Why does the hare run? The leopard retires to the same tree every night. Never changes spots. The egrets regret. The hunter takes delight in its beautiful plumes. Common kingfisher draws envy with tint bright blue. Sky's mood and hue is grey. Bored of gambling, the cubs want to hunt like Ma. Childhood comes only once.
If you want to say come here in Japanese, you can either say oide, oide, or you can say kochi ni oide, kochi ni oide.
Hello everybody, I'm Kalpana Iyer. I'm back again to read 5 haiku from the book 101 Haiku written by my friend Dinesh Raheja. Here I go. The frail fawn has lived to see another dawn. Wolf smiles. For how long? Penguin's beach party. He comes with a camera. The sly great crasher. Bushy-tailed squirrel hides nuts for his winter hoard. I am no squirrel. Juvenile jackals yelp crossly after first kill. Beginner's luck, not skill. Two tuskers tussle. Fleet of ants carry rice grains without paying heed.
Master Basho wrote, and I quote, an old silent pond, a frog jumps in, splash, silence again. This haiku, like most others, means different things to different people. Please share your understanding of this haiku. And now we'll add 2 new Japanese words to our vocabulary. Oyasumi nasai, good night. Oyasumi nasai, good night. Hajime mashite, nice to meet you. Hajime mashite, nice to meet you. What do you say for come here in Japanese? Don't remember? Check out episode 4 of Haiku on the Rock with DR YouTube channel. Sayonara.